How to get glowing skin. Naturally achieving naturally. Glowing skin requires a combination of a healthy diet, proper skin care, and lifestyle habits. Here are some effective tips to get radiant skin. 1. Hydrate your skin from within. Drink plenty of water. Aim for 8 to 10 glasses daily to keep your skin hydrated and flush out toxins. Hydrating drinks. Coconut water, green tea, lemon water, and herbal teas boost skin hydration. Moisturize daily. Use a lightweight, non-comedogenic moisturizer to lock in hydration. 2. Follow a skin-friendly diet. Your diet plays a crucial role in your skin's health. Eat foods that are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and healthy fats. Best foods for radiant skin. Vitamin C-rich foods, oranges, kiwis, strawberries, boosts collagen and brightens skin. Healthy fats, avocados, almonds, walnuts, olive oil, keep skin soft and moisturized. Leafy greens, spinach, kale, detoxifies skin and prevents acne. Omega-3s, salmon, flax seeds, chia seeds, fights inflammation and gives a natural glow. Turmeric and ginger, anti-inflammatory properties that reduce blemishes. Avoid processed foods, excess sugar, alcohol, and deep-fried items. They can lead to dull skin and breakouts. 3. Follow a proper skincare routine. Morning routine. 1. Cleanse. Use a gentle, sulfate-free cleanser to remove dirt and excess oil. 2. Tone. Use rose water or witch hazel to tighten pores. 3. Serum. Apply a vitamin C serum to brighten the skin and fight pigmentation. 4. Moisturize. Hydrate your skin with aloe vera gel or a lightweight moisturizer. 5. Sunscreen. Always apply SPF 30+ sunscreen to prevent sun damage. Night routine. 1. Double cleanse. Use micellar water or an oil cleanser to remove makeup and dirt, followed by a gentle face wash. 2. Exfoliate. 2-3x a week. Use a mild scrub, honey plus sugar, to remove dead skin cells. 3. Serum. Use hyaluronic acid or niacinamide for deep hydration and skin repair. 4. Moisturize. Apply a rich night cream or facial oil, argan rosehip oil, for overnight nourishment. 4. Use natural face masks for instant glow. Applying natural face masks once or twice a week helps brighten skin and reduce dullness. Best DIY face masks for radiant skin: turmeric plus honey plus yogurt brightens skin and fights acne. Aloe vera plus rose water hydrates and soothes irritated skin. Banana plus honey plus milk deeply moisturizes and softens skin. Papaya plus lemon juice exfoliates and removes dark spots. 5. Get enough sleep. Your skin repairs itself while you sleep, so aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every night. Pro tip: use a silk pillowcase to reduce friction and prevent fine lines. 6. Exercise. Regularly sweating detoxifies the skin and improves blood circulation, leading to a natural glow. Try yoga, brisk walking, or cardio for at least 30 minutes a day. Face yoga helps tighten skin and enhance blood flow. 7. Reduce stress and practice. Self-care. Stress leads to breakouts, dull skin, and premature aging. Keep stress levels in check by meditation and deep breathing. Reduces cortisol, stress hormone. Taking breaks. Spend time in nature or practice mindfulness. Self-care. Sundays. Pamper your skin with face masks and spa treatments at home. 8. Avoid harsh chemicals and makeup overload. Choose paraben-free, alcohol-free, and fragrance-free skincare products. Avoid heavy makeup daily. Give your skin time to breathe. 9. Use natural oils for a healthy glow. Argan oil deeply hydrates and fights wrinkles. Rosehip oil brightens and reduces pigmentation. Coconut oil softens skin, but use in moderation if you have oily skin. Almond oil reduces dark circles and keeps skin youthful. 10. Stay consistent and be patient. Skin transformation doesn't happen overnight. Stick to your skincare routine and healthy habits for long-lasting radiance. Final thoughts. By following these simple yet effective tips, you can achieve naturally glowing, youthful, and healthy skin. The key is consistency, hydration, and a balanced lifestyle.